Okay, today we're gonna review Matt and Nick Jackson, the Young Bucks. Okay. We're gonna open them like this, as I say. So we're gonna open that first, and then we're gonna open Nick, and then go through the accessories and stuff like that, and then we're gonna go close look. I'm gonna move Nick out of the way. I got these on the thrift store, so I don't. Oops. I don't know if they're in the condition, right condition, good. I don't know. These AW figures are kind of hard to open. You never had an AW figure. I don't know what to get now. I want to cut my finger on this. On the penny. I'm kind of. That's gonna happen. That wasn't that bad, but I still had a. I'm very to open AW figures now after. Yeah. Oh, I'm not keeping the box, so we're good. Sweet. Yeah, looks okay. Ooh. Nice. Kind of loose. Okay, I'm paying attention. So it's like, I'm just gonna rip Nick out because it's going to come over the How do you take the jacket off? How do you? Oh, I see. I see now. Okay. These are some good Young Bucks figures. Tassels. So we have Nick and Matt out of the box. If I can keep them from falling. Yeah. So yeah, Nick and Matt. This is Nathan. This is Matt. So yeah. Let's take off these coats. Oh no, that's LA. I'm putting them up. Use these for the. Matt's head off. So both box comes with these, I know it's kind of see, but like these black and so golden vest things. I'm not gonna really use these, so yeah, I'll find something else to do with these. Yeah. So, but let's take a look at Nick now. So Nick has a. I'm gonna. And his is better. Look at the elite jackets, by the way. Anyways, so we got got Nick here. Got blonde hair with the elite headband, torso, elite. These real life tassels, I guess. Pressure. Then we got Matt, pretty much same body and lowers, but he does have tape hands, so. And there's his face, very happy, I guess, in his yeah. Well, that's pretty much it. No, we didn't comparisons up. So here's with Hangman. Cody. AJ. And lastly, the later Kenny Omega. Then with the whole Bullet Club. And heck, you want to get real fast there? I'm not gonna get my. You didn't even put. Oh, oops. You didn't put Prince Devitt / Finn Balor in there too. I don't want to get my new Finn Balor because I'm too lazy to go on that actually. So yeah. So this is kind of cool thing you can do with the Bullet Club, I guess. You know, non-Bullet Club members. You can put them in other AEW superstars like Ricky Starks and Penta. Yeah. Or you can add yourself with the Bullet Club. That looks pretty cool. So, yeah. So pretty much anything you can do with the Young Bucks, pretty much. If it's, you know. So that's the AW Series 3 members. I'm definitely going to be using them on VW Live very soon. So, yeah. So, bye. Sweet.